yesterday, but keep on this long, so come on, God, living, I'm chasing out my God, given to become all up the 10 chips, I'm gonna pray, I'll take a fade away, celebrate some bullshit Sunday night. Like his promise is true, only my faith can I do. 90 chances are blue, to bring my life to renew. Clear blue and unconditional skies, to drive the tears from my eyes, no lonely cry. All the ladies up from the vocal game, people such a direct pay, keeps it in the corner. Who's the paper dude and can you do your own thing? But a shame to shoot never so. Claim the inside him, they know they do it, but radio crew. You should do your own mind. Games of hopes, aspirations, and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. 2, 3, 4.
Patrick Dennis on the main stage. Give it up for Patrick Dennis. Shawn Rohlf on the main stage. Give it up for Shawn Rohlf. Christopher Modl on the low end. Give it up for Christopher Modl. And your lovely, sexy man, Mr. Steve Poltz, all the way from the Black Forest.
Oh, yeah.
Steve Poltz!